Hello, so this is a quick tutorial on how to make a, like sitting round service on Roblox. So like when you join in, find a seat that's not taken by any other player, and then it will force you to sit there. You're not able to leave the seat. So, So basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to first make a folder actually in Workspace called, here. I'm just gonna, name it chair folder for all the chairs that will be in the folder. And then make a chair model. I'm just gonna do a regular chair from the workspace just because it's easier. It's simpler to make, and okay. So, not put it in decal. Put it inside the chair folder area. So put chair inside of chair folder. If you want to use the same chair as me, you can, or whatever it is. Just basically make sure there's a seat inside of it, and the name we're gonna change right now. So change the name to the chair 1, and then come over here and do another, or just duplicate this 4 times. So you have 2, and then I'm gonna name this one chair 2. This is actually from a dev form, but the scripts did not work because the user just didn't reply to help needed. So I'm making this video just to help since I couldn't really find any other ones on YouTube. So yeah, go to the chair you want. So first, actually, I'm gonna lay them out. So I'm just gonna so if you can hear like background noise or my breathing or stuff, I don't know. I have a very bad mic, but we don't talk about that. This video will probably, I don't know. Let's just, oops. Alright, so, yeah. Now that I've got the chairs spaced in order, you can make them wider apart, like, you can make one like farther all the way around here and then have like something in the middle, or it doesn't really matter where you put them, or you just need them to be just like this. So make sure the name of the seat is just seat, simple, uppercase S, and then the name of every chair that you want. You could add extras and then just add another line, but I'm using 4 chairs in this case for 4 people. That would probably make you have to set your game settings to, here, let me just show you. If you publish the game, you can go to game settings and you can, go to, hold on, stop it. It's not loading. I don't know why. But there's going to be an option that says like how many players you can have in the game. It depends on if you want to have like this. I'd recommend having like 4 chairs for 4 people in the game settings or whatever. But in chair 1, we're going to add a regular script, and then we're going to paste that. This is a regular script that we have that will be in the description. I did not put this. This was actually made by the dev form, but I'm going to edit the script since it does not work actually. So I'm just going to give you guys a simple thing. You don't actually need to delete these green lines. I don't know. But you're going to want to do that to every single chair. So here, let me just close this one so it doesn't keep bothering me. Put a script in here. Just copy and paste the same thing. And this is basically just saying, that the chairs, if somebody joins and somebody sits in them, that'll say that one of the chairs is considered true, which means if it's considered true, or if it's printed as true, that means that the new player that joins, if any other players do join, they cannot spawn in the same seat as the person that is already in the game, if you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, basically just do this to every script. once again, this is going to be in the description, so you don't really got to worry about any of this. So, yeah, let's test it. Yeah, there's errors. Oh! Hold on. That's not, I didn't make a local for that. I didn't make a variable. So, let's create a variable. Let's create a new variable under local chair folder. We're going to create local players, uppercase P, equals game dot players, and yeah, let's just, no, not blockers, bro. We don't. Okay. Players, game dot players. So this is just saying that players, which is right down here, players is a local variable which is under game dot players, and game dot players is in the explorer. So the explorer is basically game, and then a workspace, it would go game dot workspace or game dot started UI, starter pack, or replicated storage, or server storage, etc. It doesn't really matter. But it's going to want to find the players tab, which is right here, and find your avatar. Yeah. So just copy this here. It's going to be fixed in the description, so just make sure you like the video, please, if you want. This is also my new YouTube channel, so let's just spawn in. Alright, as you can see, it's working. We spawned in chair 1, I think. This is chair 1. Hold on. Oh, wait. Oh, no, it was this one. Yeah, this is considered chair 1. Okay, so this is, the name of this one is chair 1. So when you spawn in, it's going to search. It's going to say chair 1. No, that one isn't taken. So that means if nobody's in the game yet sitting in that chair, that means it's not taken. It's considered false, or the variable is false. And then the player can sit in there. But if somebody is already in the game and they already took this chair 1, then you are not able to spawn in using the, you're not able to spawn in the same chair as them. It's going to go to chair 2, and it's going to check if anybody's in chair 2 yet. And then if not, then it's going to go check, and if somebody is, then it's going to check 3, and if it's in chair 4, then yeah. And if the game limit is like 50 players or more than 4 players, or how many chairs you have, it will just leave the other person out and not let you be in one of these chairs, and it will stop looping the chair folder to just check if there's anybody in it. So if you want to create another chair, you could just, like, for instance, copy all of this, Control C, and then let's just, what am I doing? No, stop. We're gonna create this one right here, and then we're gonna do this. And then you can do chair 5, but then you're going to need to add another chair 5, and then you're going to have to copy the same script. Or you could just duplicate it and then just change the name to chair 5. Just make sure none of the, I'm not going to do chair 5, but you could, like, it's just, just make sure it's not overlapping, like one chair is inside of the other. So like if this one was here and you just duplicate it, you got to change the area for them so you're not sitting in the exact same chair. But that's basically what you gotta do. The jumping does not work. So I'm just gonna, since my game doesn't have like being able to jump and stuff, like I don't want people to be able to, like, if you spawn in the game and you're in a chair, I don't want them to be able to escape by just clicking space or clicking the jump button down here and then just walking away from the table or doing whatever they want to do outside of the area. So I'm going to create a script for that real quick, and I will be back when it is finished. Okay, got it figured out. It's going to be a local script, which is going to be just not allowing you to jump and stuff like that, and then we're going to go to place this in started GUI. I'm just gonna, there. Place this in started GUI, and this is basically just a regular script that's just not allowing you to jump. So local player equals game. No, I don't really. You can add a space, but I'm not gonna. It just doesn't matter. Local player equal game players dot local player. Local jump player equal local jump equals player character weight for humanoid. So wait for child humanoid. So basically, jump is inside of the humanoid area, and jump is a not allowing you to jump. So let's just like here, if we join the game, we will not be able to jump. Spamming the space key. It doesn't allow you to jump. That script must be in starter GUI, by the way. That's just where it works. And then I'm pretty sure on devices like here, it doesn't put the mobile device little jump icon. Let me just go to iPhone 6 Plus. Let me just see if it puts the jump icon here. Okay, so it does, but it doesn't work. As you can see, it's clicking it and it's not working. You cannot walk around. You cannot jump out of the chair, no matter how hard you try. So it just doesn't really matter. So yeah, that's just a simple script, spawning you in the game, not allowing you to do whatever. My next video is going to be how to make custom, like, an area to, like, if you make a GUI or a UI where you can buy or purchase new sitting animations, which will function in the humanoid, well, the avatar animation. So like if you join the game, you go to workspace, you go to alert, or whatever username you are, it goes under the animate tab, and there's one called where is it, sit. If you change the sit animation, it will change your sitting posture, and that's going to be my next video. So yeah, stay tuned, and yeah, make sure to like the video. You're welcome. See ya.